Good morning, students. Today in this video, we will discuss the topics prime number, composite numbers, co-prime number and twin primes. Now, the first topic is prime numbers. So, what are prime numbers? The numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Let us understand with the help of the examples. Now, see here. The first number which I have written is 2. Now see, 2 is a prime number. Why? Because it has only two factors. That is 1 and 2. That is 1 and itself. Again, 3 has also two factors, 1 and 3. 5 has also two factors, 1 and 5, and so on. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Now, what you are observing, that 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, and the next thing is कि what you are observing कि 2 is the even number also, but other numbers are odd. So 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is the only prime number which is even. 2 is the even prime number. Now the next topic is composite number. So what are composite numbers? The number which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and so on. So example 4, see how many factors 4 have? 4 have 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. That means 4 has more than 2 factors. That is why it is a composite number. Again, coming on 6. 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, so all these numbers are composite numbers. Why? Because all these numbers have more than 2 factors. Now what you are observing in the example, okay, कि 4 is the smallest composite number. So 2 is the smallest prime number and it is also an even number, and 4 is the smallest composite number. Now, very important note, the number 1 is neither composite, neither prime nor composite. Okay, 1 ना ही prime होता है और ना ही composite होता है. Now, the co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers that have 1 as the only common factor are called co-prime numbers. So, co-prime numbers are what? Two numbers that have only one common factor, that is 1. Now, let us see the examples. Now, see here, we are observing two numbers 2 and 3. Now, 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2, and 3 is also having two factors, 1 and 3. So the common factor is what? The common factor is 1. So 2 and 3 have only one common factor, that is 1. That is why they are co-prime. Again, 3, 4, 3 and 4 also have only one common factor, that is 1. केवल एक ही common factor होता है 3 और 4 का 1. That is why it is co-prime. 4, 9, again only one common factor, that is 1. Then they are co-prime. Now note very important properties which you need to know. Two co-primes need not to be both primes. Now see here. These two numbers are co-prime and these two are prime. Now observe this. 3, 4, they are co-prime, but see 3 is a prime but 4 is a composite number. So the two co-prime numbers need not to be both primes. दोनों का prime होना जरूरी नहीं होता है. Now the next property, very important, any two primes are always co-prime. दो prime हमेशा co-prime होते हैं. Now see here, 2, 3. See, 2 is also a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. So they both are co-prime numbers. ठीक है, तो ये co-prime हो गए. Now twin primes, prime numbers that differ by 2. ऐसे दो prime numbers जिनका difference 2 होता है are called twin primes. Let us see example 3, 5. Now find out the difference. 5 minus 3, 2. You can see difference कितना है? 2. So they are twin primes. 5, 7. What is the difference? 2. So they are twin primes. 11, 13. What is the difference? 2. So they are twin primes. 17, 19. What is the difference? 2. So they are twin primes. So what are twin primes? Prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. Now we will do exercise 2.3. The first question is, make a list of all the prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100. Now see here, I am writing the prime numbers. You will write the composite number from 1 to 100 on your own. Now prime numbers, see here, 2. Okay, we are writing the prime numbers from 1 to 100. And again, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So you will not write 1 while writing prime numbers also and while writing composite numbers also. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These all are prime numbers. Why these are prime numbers? Because they have only two factors, 1 and itself. Now, the next question is, which number is neither prime nor composite? So, I told you just now in the note that 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, the answer is 1. Now, the next question is, what is the smallest prime number? I told you earlier, what is the smallest prime number? 2. How many even numbers are prime? How many even numbers are prime? Only one even number is a prime number, that is 2. 2 is the only prime number which is even. Now the next question is, what is the smallest composite number? So what is the smallest composite number? 4. Find out the following numbers are prime or not. So 187. 187 is not prime. Why it is not prime? Because it has factors. Because it has more than 2 factors. Okay, it is also divided by 11. So 11 is a factor of 187. So 187 is not a prime number. Now 149. Now see here, 149 is a prime number because 149 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. It is divided. It is not divided by any other number. 277, it is also a prime number. Why? Because it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself, that is 277. Now 329, it is not a prime number because it is divided by 47. So 329 has a factor 47 also. So that is why it is not a prime number. Now the next question is, find out co-prime numbers for the following. Now remember the properties of the co-prime numbers. See here, the first one is 13, 23. So it is a co-prime. Why? Because I told you that 2 prime numbers are always co-prime. Now see here, 13 is also a prime number and 23 is also a prime number. So that is why this is co-prime. Remember it, 2 prime numbers are always co-prime. Now 57 and 84 not co-prime. Why? Because see the factors of 57, 1, 3, 19, 57, and factors of 84, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and so on. There are many more factors. Now see here, 1 and you can see here 3 also. They are having a common factor 3 also. So that is why 57 and 84 are not co-prime. Now 67 and 97, observe, are they prime numbers? Yes, 67 is also a prime number and 97 is also a prime number. So they both are co-primes. Okay. Now 47 and 68, these both, 47 is a prime number but 68 is not a prime number. So let us see the factors here. Factors of 47, 1, 47, and factors of 6, 1, 2, 4, and so on. So you can see there is only one common factor, that is 1. So that is why 47 and 68 are co-prime. Now 29, 83, again these both are prime numbers, so that is why they are co-prime. Now find out, the next question is 8th question, find out the twin prime numbers. Now see 5, 7. So what are the twin prime numbers? The prime numbers which have a difference 0 are called twin prime numbers. So take out the difference. 7 minus 5, 2. So the difference is 2. That is why they are twin prime numbers. Now 37 comma 47, is the difference 2? No, the difference is not 2, that is why they are not twin prime. No. Now the C part is 71 comma 73. Now find out the difference. Yes, the difference is 2, that is why yes, they are twin primes. Now 79 comma 83, is the difference 2? No, the difference is not 2, so no, they are not twin primes. 43 53, is the difference 2? No, the difference is not 2, so that is why no. 41 comma 43, is the difference 2? Yes, the difference is 2, that is why yes, they are twin primes. 11 comma 13, yes, why? Because the difference is